In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to progress invoicing and change orders in QuickBooks. If you regularly bill clients in stages or need to update sales and purchase details as projects change, this process can save you a lot of time and help keep your records accurate. We'll first turn on progress invoicing, then walk through creating a partial invoice from an estimate, and finally update sales or purchase orders when changes need to be documented. To begin, open QuickBooks and go to Settings using the gear icon. From there, select Account and Settings, then click on the Sales tab. In this section, look for Progress Invoicing and toggle the feature on. This setting allows QuickBooks to create invoices based on only part of an estimate instead of billing the entire amount at once. That's especially useful for larger projects where you invoice in phases rather than all at the beginning or end. Once the feature is enabled, you're ready to bill for partial work. Create a new invoice and select the customer you want to bill. If that customer has an active estimate, QuickBooks will usually display a panel showing it. Click. Add to bring that estimate into the invoicing process. This helps connect your invoice directly to the original quoted work, which keeps everything organized and makes it easier to track what has already been billed and what remains. Next, choose how you want to invoice the work completed so far. QuickBooks gives you the option to bill for a percentage of each item or for a specific amount or portion of the work completed. Choose the option that best matches how the job is progressing. After that, copy the selected amount to the invoice. Review it carefully to make sure the numbers reflect the current stage of the project, and then send the invoice. Taking a moment to double-check the amounts can help avoid confusion for both you and your customer. Now let's look at updating sales and purchase orders. In your QuickBooks dashboard, go to either the Sales menu or the Expenses menu, depending on the type of order you need to change. Find and open the specific sales order or purchase order you want to update. Once it's open, click into the item line, quantity, or price fields and make the needed changes. If there's a reason for the adjustment, add notes or internal memos so the update is clearly documented for future reference. When everything looks correct, select Save or Save and close to record the changes. That's how to manage progress invoicing and change orders in QuickBooks in a clear and practical way.